Despite their reputation as destructive forces, volcanoes actually were critical to the development of life on Earth. Without volcanoes, most of Earth's water would still be trapped in the crust and mantle. Early volcanic eruptions led to the Earth's second atmosphere, which led to Earth's modern atmosphere. Besides water and air, volcanoes are responsible for land, another necessity for many life forms. Volcanoes may be devastating at the moment, but ultimately Earth's life would not be the same, if it existed at all, without volcanoes. Volcanoes are Earth's geologic architects. They've created more than 80% of our planet's surface, laying the foundation that has allowed life to thrive. Their explosive force crafts mountains as well as craters. Lava rivers spread into bleak landscapes. But as time ticks by, the elements break down these volcanic rocks, liberating nutrients from their stony prisons and creating remarkably fertile soils that have allowed civilizations to flourish. There are volcanoes on every continent, even Antarctica. Some 1,500 volcanoes are still considered potentially active around the world today. But each volcano is different. Some burst to life in explosive eruptions, like the 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo, and others burp rivers of lava in what's known as an effusive eruption, like the 2018 activity of Hawaii's Kilauea volcano. The importance of volcanoes to life didn't end with the development of an oxygen-rich atmosphere. Igneous rocks form over 80% of the Earth's surface, both above and below the ocean surface. Igneous rocks include volcanic and plutonic rocks. Volcanic eruptions continue to add land, whether by extending existing land, as in Hawaii, or by bringing new islands to the surface, as at Surtsey, an island that emerged in 1963 along the mid-ocean ridge near Iceland. Even the shape of the Earth's landmasses relates back to volcanoes. Volcanoes occur along with the Earth's spreading centers, where the erupting lava slowly pushes the upper Earth layers into different configurations. The destruction of the lithosphere at subduction zones also causes volcanoes when the melted, less dense magma rises back to the Earth's surface. These volcanoes cause the hazards associated with composite volcanoes like Mt. St. Helens and Vesuvius. The effects of the explosive eruptions from composite volcanoes range from the inconveniences of delayed and cancelled airplane flights, due to thick ash, to changes in weather patterns when volcanic dust reaches the stratosphere and blocks part of the sun's energy. Despite the negative impacts of volcanic activity, there are positives of volcanoes too. Volcanic dust, ash, and rocks decompose into soils with an exceptional ability to hold nutrients and water, making them very fertile. These rich volcanic soils, called andisols, form about 1% of the Earth's available surface. Volcanoes continue to heat their local environments. Hot springs support local wildlife habitats, and many communities use geothermal energy for heat and power. Mineral assemblages often develop due to fluids from igneous intrusions. From gemstones to gold and other metals, volcanoes are related to much of the mineral wealth of the Earth. The search for these minerals and other ores fueled many of the human explorations of Earth.